All right, y'all, it's finally here. Smartcode Touchpad electronic deadbolt. It's really cool. It also comes in a traditional design. This, as you can see, is the contemporary design. Can't wait to get it out of the box. All right, let's get our hands on it so you can have a look at its design and what you can expect when you bring it home. The first thing you gotta know is all the installation hardware is organized into sections, and it's the exact sequence and that you're gonna need. Anybody can install this. It's great, I can't stress that enough. You'll see that the exterior assembly, the mounting plate, the interior assembly, the strike and latch, they're all conveniently grouped into their sections with their necessary screws and all the other material that you need. You really just need a Phillips head screwdriver to put this thing together, folks. The Smartcode Touchpad electronic deadbolt. It's sleek, it's this matte black finish that I got. I love that. It features a striking 10-button transitional display, the future. It's designed to match the latest contemporary or traditional trends for any home. Now, take a look at this. Combining the tactile feedback with easy code access, the responsive touchpad display has a large and bright LED to easily communicate the lock status. You can store up to 50 unique user codes and 10 one-time codes, which is perfect for service professionals, family, and guests. For enhanced protection, the Smartcode Touchpad electronic deadbolt features smart key security. Say you want a different set of keys, you can actually reset and get a new set of keys that correspond with this lock, and these will no longer work. Awesome. Thank you, Weiser, for thinking of all of that. Another big thanks goes out to the sponsor, Weiser, who, yes, is sponsoring their own video, of course. Now that's what I call security. They have some confidence in their product. So that's it, folks. That is the brand new Weiser Smartcode Touchpad electronic deadbolt. It is a super simple, awesome, smart lock that I am going to have on my front door. You might want to look into it yourself.